Struggling to find the perfect outfit? Don't worry. There are many stylish options that can flatter your body type. Consider using shapewear to smooth out your curves and opt for long jeans or slacks instead of capris to lengthen your frame. High-waisted or boot-cut pants can provide a balanced look, while bright tops paired with dark bottoms draw attention to your upper body. Choose shorter tees that hit above the hips to create a balance and opt for A-line cuts to slim your legs. Unique necklines, shoulder pads, and clinched belts can help shift focus away from your hips, while accessories like jewelry and scarves can highlight your neckline. Lastly, high-heeled shoes can add length to your silhouette, further enhancing your proportion. Explore these ideas to look and feel your best.